The AI music editor in DaVinci Resolve lets you seamlessly retime music clips. This tool can be accessed in the audio tab of the inspector. It allows you to specify a desired duration. The AI will then take it from there, either shortening or extending the music to match. Let's jump into how this tool works. First, select the music clip on your timeline you want to retime. Blackmagic recommends beat-driven music, something like pop or dance music, for this tool to work effectively. Next, let's go over to the inspector. On the audio tab, look for AI Music Editor. In the target length field, enter the desired duration for the music clip. This is going to be the length you want the music clip to be after it's retimed. This can either be an increase or decrease in duration. DaVinci Resolve will analyze the music and create a retimed version. Live trim gives you more of a hands-on approach by allowing you to resize the clip on the timeline. After the analyzing is complete, Resolve presents 4 different retimed versions of your music. Each version offers a unique approach to the edit. You can click on the buttons 1 through 4 to preview to see what best fits your project. If we look back down in the timeline, we can see that there's indicators showing where the cuts and transitions have been made. The AI music editor avoids altering the pitch or tempo of the music. Instead, it attempts to mimic techniques a human music editor would do.
Oh no!
So initially I wasn't having much luck even when I switched to different versions. If I completely removed the audio clip from the timeline and brought it back into the timeline, DaVinci Resolve would reanalyze the clip. And I found that the best results I got was when I cut down the music and limited the amount that was analyzed. Because I cut the clip down so much, I was curious what the intro would sound like. After reviewing the results, sometimes manual adjustments might be necessary. You can use tools like the elastic wave on the Fairlight page. If you're seeking a finer control over the clip, you can right-click on the clip and click Decompose. This will expose all the edit points and crossfades created by the AI. Just note that this is a one-way action. And I think that covers everything for the AI music editor. If you like short videos like this one, make sure you hit that like button.